Get this out.
Yeah, you pick up the ones that are on the ground here? Yeah, I just we can do the next one. So we did an olive tree, and these are the mulberry trees, the mulberry section. There we go. How's it going, man?
It's good.
Nice.
Sweet.
This your phone?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Recording.
Oh, you recording?
Yeah. With the
Nice.
bucket. Look at the water.
Now take it by the stem.
Alright.
You can just lift it up on this side.
You been to Texas State before?
Yeah, I've been there.
Texas State?
Yeah.
Nice.
For
That's
my-
where I graduated, actually.
You did?
Yeah.
That's nice. Alright, I did this right straight.
Yes, sir. You're good. And then we'll throw this on there.
Yes, for sure.
No, for sure.
Hey.
Oh, damn, look like it's already ready.
Yeah. Now I'm... Hey, don't you my... Oh, pick it up, bro. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Okay, so we got this great pound, like a lot of these pounds,
Alright.
of course, those grass,
Now, take this out.
that we already had to dig out. So, like I said, you get the heat in your grill, it allows you to move a lot more.
I love gardening.
But otherwise, if you do a soft one, it's not as much.
And then whenever you put them in, what was your name? What was that? Emiliana? So whenever you put it in, you want to add the dirt around it too.
Oh, I know. It's not ready yet.
Okay.
Guys, look.
Oh, y'all got a little system going here.
That's got to be dug down a little bit more.
One can kick it in.
Oh, yeah, but it's one of the ones that the tractor can because also when you I keep you're just usually here. You're like my team and Ryan's not. So I'm not used to having to ask Ryan about break up the roots.
stuff I prepared for you?
Huh?
Is like the thing I prepared for you? It's already inside.
This side. Oh my gosh. Hey. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Like this?
That looks great to me.
Alright.
Nice. You've done this before, huh?
No?
Yeah.
My first time.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No, I'm good.
You got good attention to detail.
Yeah. How do I do this?
Okay, yeah. So we'll go long ways. Sorry. And I like to put this part over this, and then you can kind of click it in, and it'll click in all the way. Because if you do it the other way, take it off.
This one's weird. It's out of its roots.
Ooh, yeah. Let's just keep that one in there until we're ready to plant it.
Nothing. Recording.
Yeah, this one's strong.
It's like this, bro. Look. Look, see?
You're Ray.
Ray, I'm not Ray.
Ray.
Yeah.
Please, I only put them out. You do the roots.
Dude, I do like a lot of them, bro. Oh shoot. It needs to break. Alright, I know that's better. Do 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 do. Oh, that's nice. Subscribe.
Ray, can you help me put on this tree trunk?
Alright. I gotta do something. Garden. Get my camera right there.
Oh. There's a problem over here.
What?
Look.
Wait, hold on. The wind is blowing. Hold on, I'll do this.
It's not deep enough.
Alright.
Hey, this is not deep enough.
Water. No, water break.